Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I do have lace on my head, so it must be a wig Wednesday video. Ow, ow. Anyways, I actually have this wig, so if you follow me on Instagram, I have worn it, but it's in a different color. So I ordered this wig, like, oh, that's so cute, da da da. I got it and I'm like, wait, I have this wig in a different color. I guess it's cool because this is so like fallish hair slash, like, you can still wear it in the wintertime. I just prefer bobs. I prefer bobs on my features. The bob is cute, short, and like my features be popping, like these cheekbones be popping, you know what I'm saying? So, but anyways, we're just gonna get straight into it. We are doing our Janelle in the DR30. Of course, it's Outre. I don't know why I gravitate towards Outre so much, but I realized I have a pattern. I always get Outre. Sometimes you'll get cis here, and sometimes you'll get like Bobby Brown, I believe. But all the time, it's Outre. I really love this color. It's a little darker than I usually go for. I usually go for like a honey blonde, which this could pass by for, but no, it's definitely brown to me. Like, ain't no way I'm not gonna say it's brown like Chris Brown. Said I'm corny. So the part is basically non-existent. I'm going to have to do lots of work on that. Let me show you the structure of this wig. So with this wig, you get 2 combs in the front. Then you're gonna get your comb in the back. Right there. And then of course you get your adjustable straps. It's basically the same old, just like every other wig. That's why I just stopped taking it out of the box and stuff, because you guys see the same thing every time. So what's the point of making my video longer, and what's the point of wasting your time? Is my lash coming off? What the? Why now? I'm really embarrassed that my lash is coming off, so I also have to go fix that, okay? Let's just take a moment. Let's take a side to side, back and front. Let's do it. Oh my god, this wig makes my head look like Humpty Dumpty, like a straight egg. This is why, I was gonna tell you guys later when I showed you the other wig, but this is why I curl this wig, because I feel like it's too straight for my long head. It's way too straight here, and then you get body here, but I need body, addy everywhere. You feel me? We're going to get rid of this lace. Get rid of the lace. I also did play with the part a bit because it was tragic. This is big head friendly. No tangling, very little shedding. Of course, after I plucked my part, I have a little pieces, but that's expected when you start plucking. So let me just show you guys my previous wig. I will say this wig has been laying around a bit, so she's a little nappy, but you can see her a little bit like slightly curly and all that good stuff, and in a different color. Like I said, it is in its rarest form, so she's not the prettiest right now. I gotta wash her. You do get like black, green, and then blonde, so I don't know if that will bother you, but just a heads up, it's noticeable. I forgot what color this is. I'll probably just insert it right below right here for you guys. I was trying to get out of my comfort zone and get like a super blonde, because usually I go for like honey blonde and stuff. At first I didn't like this wig, but once I started pairing it with things and curling it, I started liking it. So this is Janelle. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely press that bell button so you never miss a slay with Zay. Oh, okay. All right, love you guys. Goodbye.